I say, big up the whole Caribbean. Yo, Caribbean, the whole Judas said if big good up, big up the whole Caribbean. You see me, cause all our Caribbean people. But yeah, man, Judas, I saw that, man. He said, yo, Prince Wani, and he was in a shootout and some you get shot. You say one of them in a critical condition. Who's that? Let me know. And yeah, guys, we're gonna jump. Neil Paris, where you there? Big up yourself, Neil. You gone? Everybody in our life, big up everybody, man. Yeah, we're gonna jump in the next one. This is Tamale Sparta. We're gonna check out next action pack. You see me? That's the next song we're gonna check out. Yeah, man, drop it. Let me know what go on in the comments, guys. We chop it up, man, with Prince Wani and Cayman 6. You see me? And he said, boy, drop new song. We're gonna listen to that as well. You see me? Yeah, man, so we're gonna jump in the next track. This is Tamale Sparta. You drop the song like a day or two ago into the action pack. Yeah, and action pack, I'm gonna check it out and see what go on. You know what I'm saying? You don't know Tamale Sparta, Uncle D-Man himself, you know, man. You don't that you don't know. This man is a hit maker, very talented. You know, when I OG in that game, enough of the new artists and look up to Tamale, you know what I'm saying? And he's been doing his thing, man. So, but from that, he's been dropping very light, upbeat type song. You know what I'm saying? So I wonder where darkness gone. You know, if you're not dropping no more dark, nitty gritty, edgy song, you know what I'm saying? Just open out of the box type thing, you know what I mean? So I look out for Tamale come and his new style, you know what I'm saying? So remember the new style, his old style, as if you bring back your old style going at the dark. Cause he paved the way for a lot of these newcomers, you know, talking about this darkness and sin and all this, and Tamale paved the way for them, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're jumping at this. Yeah, man, Tamale's definitely a hit, man. You said 10-year-old got shot, man. That's crazy. I saw something like the 10-year-old got shot, but I check out that as well, man. You know what I'm saying? But we're jumping on this Tamale Sparta action pack. Yo, if you're watching this, if you're watching this, if you're watching this video, the rerun right now, we was live doing this reaction. You know what I'm saying? Definitely look out for the lives when we're doing live reaction, so you can become part of the family and, you know, do this, become part of the lit energy while we do this shit live. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're jumping on this next track. This is Tamale Sparta action pack. And we don't know what to expect from Tamale. Tamale, yeah, man. The Tamale OG in the game, very talented. We don't have to say much about the Spartan boss. Yeah, see me? So, yeah, man, let me say this is Tamale Sparta action pack. Let's get it.
Hey, man, that's wrong. Action pack. Pussy them a chase like y'all. Since them come along front. Hey man, that's all. Yeah, drop the roof on it. Missy girl street flash, show the blue baggy. And the two Mali, yo a who?
Yo, whoa. Like this, wasn't I just saying, yo, from what there be a light, upbeat thing, Tamale upon when him will come back with him dark style, him edgy. Well, look like his Spartan boss there, you see me? Yeah, man, the man they say my action pack. I'm to you, man. Let's get it.
For beach, she take it out fast and the troop on it. Belly flat stay something like two baby. Girl on fire, look how the Ruga beat. Girl from the UK, I send the shoes barrel. Jimmy Choo daddy, we have the
hey, girl from the UK, send the shoes barrel. Jimmy Choo daddy, yeah, I say me big up here, UK girl, cause they got all the stores over there, man. You know, England. I like these hand of them over there, and it's so much cheaper over there too, you know what I'm saying?
Roof rocket, the hot chopper from me head and my shoes catchy. You catch it for father with a key jacket. Big Benz a Prada and a 4matic. I swear that's me.
Big Benz and Prada and a 4matic. I want to hear that, man.
Half like two rocket. 10 gal ride on and a boom bunny. She say Hong Kong, yeah, and a true Spanish. She
said, yo, gal ride on a boom bunny. She say Hong Kong and a true Spanish. I didn't make up Spanish that.
I only something so like a jewelry. Car up on the car and a few stabbing.
I mean, man, cocker up on the car and a few stabbing. I'm Theo, we don't have to go too far.
The pussy them a chase like girls. I went since them come a lot frack. Hey,
action pack, the pussy them a chase like girl. I went since them a lap frack. Hey, lap frack and chat, don't it? Remember them talk there? Niggas are sitting like girl a lap frack and, you know what I'm saying?
And that's wrong. Feel. Action pack. The pussy them a chase like girl. I went since them come a lap frack. Feel. Hey man, that's wrong.
Hey man, that's wrong. Man, you love sit down and chat, man. And chat to man. Them think they wrong, man. I want to get a big old wrong bang. I want to hear man move.
House building, dream weekend, the crowd singing.
Who in the chat? Let me know who in the chat. We right now holding a vibe, doing reaction live. Don't miss the live reaction, man. And let me know what y'all think. Yeah, who in the chat? Let me know.
Me go back road, them a go fishing. Right there, so me in house, so them don't legit. Shut off them head ground, them don't miss it. Left them in the hole where the crew visit. Dead boy, them dead cat. Action.
Dead boy, them dead cat too. Yeah, them ad-lib them, them bad all too.
People see them a chase like gal.
Yo, I wonder if this is a I wonder if this is a King Tavidis. Nah, I think you think so? What if this man a pussy in them a chase like yeah? That's the only person I know been arguing with Tamale since he been out. You know what I'm saying? So, what if this is a King Tavidis? Cause you know King Tavi say he used to ghost ride. King Tavi say no mas. King Tavi used to say yo him ghost ride for Tamale. You know what I'm saying? The whole thing when him dip on live and spit on camera and all type of shit. What if it's a King Tavi?
Them come a lot flat. Hey man, that's wrong. Action pop. People see them a chase like gal. And when since them come a lot flat. Hey man, that's strong from me head and my shoes catchy. Look at your fur father with a key jacket. Big pens of Prada and a 4matic. I swear that speed off like 2 rocket. $10 ride on and a boom bunny.
I like this. This song is a vibe. You know what I'm saying? The energy and everything. This is a vibe. Big up yourself, Tamale. See me, meet up the Spartan boss, man. This is a vibe.
And a true Spanish. She does a running something so like a jewelry. Car up on the car and a few stabbing.
She does a running something so like a jewelry. Jano. Eh, my girl, you know Ben Spunani have a boss Spunani, man. You can't run anything like Juta, man. Yeah, if I don't know Juta, the J.U. Juta, the boss to my yard, you know what I'm saying? The passenger boss to my yard. So man say you can't run anything like Juta. Hey, easy.
The pussy them a chase like gal. And when since them come a lot frap. Hey man, that's wrong. Action pop. The pussy them a chase like gal. And when since them come a lot frap. Hey man, that's wrong. Oh, you so feel. Come in the place, girl, I've heard with your tail.
See, you mean that's a Spartan boss, man. Back on it with another blow hit. Yeah, man, people, what y'all thought about this one? What y'all think about this one? And Tamale. And Tamale. This like his first. This is his first solo song since he came back. No, I don't think it's his first solo one, but I think this is the first song that's closer to the Tamale that we remember. You know what I'm saying? For real, man. I think that's the first song. This is first song closest to his style since he been out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, big up the Spartan boss. You know what I'm saying? We like that one. You know what I'm saying? Big man thing. We like that one. That was the energy, nice. You know, Tamale always making hits and shit, man. So yeah, man, big up the Spartan boss. Big up Tamale, guys. If you're watching this, actually, if you're watching the rerun of this, you know, reacting to this live, so definitely know what you thought about that one in the comment section, and definitely go show the artist some love and support. You don't know, we lit over here, man, and try not to miss the live. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching the rerun of it, try not to miss the live. You know what I'm saying? And definitely line up the live reaction. We'll do our reaction live, and then I drop them for you each. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So yeah,